Now let's talk about the Find Similar Objects feature. In the Object Edit menu, you'll see Find Similar Objects. This lets you search based on whatever property range you set. For example, you can choose to search within just the current schematic sheet, the entire project, or even a specific sub-project. Say I want to find a component called R2. I set the type component, then set the condition to designator equal R2, and hit Find All. One thing to note, the designator has to be in uppercase, lowercase won't work. Another example, if I want to find the VBOT net, I choose net port or net flag. Set the condition to net flag equal VBOT, and it will pull up all the matching nets. Here, it found 4, and I can jump to each one directly. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+F, type in the value you are looking for, and get the result right away. That's basically it, super handy.